Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Friday, May 1st, and this is the second book I'm going to read you today by Ezra Keats because he's really becoming one of my favorite authors, and I bet he'll become one of yours too because he's really good and his pictures and illustrations are so beautiful. So I just want you to look at those a lot today when you're looking at the book and listening. So sit back and relax, and I'm going to read to you Whistle for Willie by Ezra Keats. And he dedicated this book to Anne. Right there it says, to Anne. Oh, how Peter wished he could whistle. He saw a boy playing with his dog. Whenever the boy whistled, the dog ran straight to him. Peter tried and tried to whistle, but he couldn't. So instead, he began to turn himself around and around and around he whirled, faster and faster. Oh, when he stopped, everything turned down and up and down, and around and around. That looked dizzy. Peter saw his dog, Willie, coming, quick as a wink. He hid in an empty carton lying on the sidewalk. Wouldn't it be funny if I whistled? Peter thought. Willie would stop and look all around to see who it was. Peter tried again to whistle, but still he couldn't, so Willie just walked on. Peter got out of the carton and started home. On the way, he took some colored chalks out of his pocket, and he drew a long, long, long line right up to his door. He stood there and he tried to whistle again. He tried. He blew till his cheeks were tired, but nothing happened. He went into his house and put on his father's old hat to make himself feel more grown up. He looked into the mirror to practice whistling. Still no whistle. When his mother saw what he was doing, Peter pretended he was his father. He said, "I've come home early today, dear. Is Peter here?" His mother answered, "Why, no, he's outside with Willie." "Well, I'll go outside and look for them," said Peter. First, he walked along a crack in the sidewalk. Then he tried to run away from his shadow. Run away from his shadow? Oh my goodness. He jumped off his shadow, but then when he landed, they were together again. He came to the corner where the carton was, and who should he see but Willie? There's Willie. Sorry, the page went too forward. So Peter scrambled onto the carton, and then he blew, and he blew, and he blew, and suddenly out came a whistle. Willie stopped and looked around to see who it was. "It's me," Peter shouted and stood up. Willie raced straight to him. Peter ran home to show his father and mother what he could do. They loved Peter's whistling. So did Willie. All right. He loved whistling. Peter's mother asked him and Willie to go on an errand to the grocery store. He whistled all the way there, and he whistled all the way home. And I think that was the end. There it goes. Hold on, let me just go back one page. And that is the end. What a great book. So do you have anybody out there know how to whistle? So I think you could just keep practicing and you'd get better. Just keep practicing. Just blow. So have a great Friday, and I will see you soon. We're going to read some more. I'm going to read some more Ezra Keats books to you, and you can read some on your own. You can go to the library online, or maybe you have some at your house. Okay, well, have a great day. See you later. Bye.